Siemens Digital Industry Software is the leading industrial software company in the world. Siemens has been a partner with AWS for over 10 years now. We're finding more and more customers are making larger and larger commitments to their cloud transformation with AWS. And what that means is they're allocating more and more budget to their contract. And at the same time, they need solutions like the Siemens Accelerator portfolio to help them digitally transform. Listing on AWS Marketplace was really the next logical step once we moved our portfolio to SaaS. And today we have over 36 solutions listed on AWS Marketplace, and we're live in over 10 countries. AWS Marketplace has also allowed us to reduce friction for IT and OT stakeholders to come together and procure the solutions they need to solve the business challenges they have, specifically around product engineering and smart manufacturing. By listing our solutions on AWS Marketplace, we're able to bring our software solutions to more markets and able to provide that lower friction buying experience for customers in those regions. And not only are we able to serve the enterprise customers that we've historically served really well, we're able to bring our SaaS solutions down market to the medium enterprise and allow those customers to buy at lower friction through the AWS Marketplace.